vlog, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going back home today. So it's cold outside. We're gonna go view the apartment for funsies and I'm just trying to vlog it. So we're going to check a model home right now. So this is kind of cool. They have it inside their clubhouse. So yeah, sushi. It's the kitchen. The living room. This is a half bath. Oh, this is nice. A little done. Comes with a washer and dryer. The bathroom.
This is where Manita will decorate her room.
Ooh.
She will have plenty of space.
Wow.
Are you gonna have a king bed or are you gonna keep your little twin bed?
I'll probably keep my bed. Wow.
Where will you put your little recording? Oh, you can put it here. You can have your little makeup. You can have your little makeup. No.
Pone un vanity.
Yeah.
No, aquí, manita. Aquí tú pones tu vanity.
We're gonna go see one of the other apartments. This one's smaller. And yeah, this is how nice it is over here. So pretty and green.
I was like,
This is the same. Oh, this one has a window in the den. Bathroom's the same. See, what I'm telling you though, this bedroom is way smaller. Oh yeah, this is way smaller. The walk-in closet is the same
The
size.
closet is the same and the bathroom is
It's the same, but the
size.
bedroom's smaller.
What is the bedrooms? And that's what I told you. The difference is
Oh, they just threw in every single packet of sauce. Look at that.
Okay. So I'm going to do a brand new look. I'm gonna dye my hair and cut it for the new year. So let's go. Okay, y'all, here is the final look. Are y'all ready? Are y'all ready? Drum roll, please. What do you think? I am freaking obsessed. I freaking love it. I love it. My hair looks so healthy. Like, what? My hair was so dead before. And now, look at me. And the color also is very pretty because it's like darker and like not, because my hair was getting like orangey. I'm in love and I'm obsessed. I'm gonna show y'all the inspo picture I showed my mom. This is what I got. Like, she ate. She ate. That's it for today's vlog. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below what kind of videos you want to see in the future. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 23. Bye!